Hello and welcome. I'm Miss Carly.
I'm Miss Silvana.
And it is week 4 of our summer reading program. And we are ready to have fun with our grab and go STEAM activity kits.
A special thanks to our friends of the Buckeye Public Library for sponsoring the free kits.
If you don't already have a kit, you can pick one up at the downtown library or the Coyote Branch Monday through Friday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. Or visit the bookmobile. Make sure to check our website for current date, time, and location.
And this week's theme is friendship.
That's right. And this week's activity is a friendship heart puzzle that you can share with your friend. A friend is a person you have a strong liking and trust for. And oftentimes you want to correspond with your friends. And correspondence is the writing of letters. So you'll be able to correspond with your friends by sending them your heart puzzle. Silvana, what are the supplies they're going to need from their kit today?
The supplies that they included in your grab and go kit is just your template with the triangles here, crayons and scissors, but you also can use markers at home. If you have coloring pencils at home, you can use those too.
That's right. So you're going to want to color your triangles on your sheet. You can color them any way you'd like. You can color them all one color or different colors, and then cut them out at that point. I've already cut and colored mine here, so I'm ready to start assembling my puzzle. So I'm going to try and make a heart.
And also, you can do is, when you finish coloring your triangles and cutting them, you can write in the back nice kind words that you think of your friends, loving words, pictures. You can put any emojis, hearts, flowers, anything that you have at home. Maybe you have a sticker of a heart that you love or a little flower. You can put them in the back. And sometimes you can have little stickers of cars. You can make a little car or anything that you would like to include it, because you will mail these to your friends. Also, if you would like to make more of these for other friends or family members, don't forget to go to our summer reading website. You can download the templates there for free.
All right, and I have finished making my heart puzzle here. So I just wanted to make sure that it worked so that it's ready for when I want to send it to my friends. If you don't want to mail it to your friends, you can feel free to just snap a picture of the heart and send it to your friends. That way they know that you're thinking about them and that you care about them. And once you have finished your project, it's always good to reflect on what you've done. Some great questions to reflect on include, what do you like best in a friend? What other ways can you show friendship to others? Why is friendship important?
Now, it's your turn to have some fun as you
Imagine your story.
Don't forget to submit your pictures of your completed Friendship Heart Puzzle to earn 25 points. Email your picture to library@buckeyeaz.gov. And remember, just by watching our video today, you get 15 points if you enter the code FriendshipWatch4 at read20az.org. Continue to inspire, engage, and connect with your library as you imagine your story.